video. In this new video, we will see Simpson's 1/3 rule. For that purpose, we require the general quadrature formula. The general quadrature formula is we have already discussed in our previous video. You can watch that video for the details of the general quadrature formula. Friends, from the general quadrature formula, we derive the Simpson's 1/3 rule. General quadrature formula is on your screen. Integration x0 to x0 plus nh. These are the bounds of the integration. Y into dx equal to h into n y0 plus n square divided by 2 delta y0 plus n cube divided by 3 minus n square divided by 2 into delta square y0 divided by 2 factorial plus n raised to 4 divided by 4 minus n cube plus n square into delta cube y0 divided by 3 factorial plus up to n plus 1 terms. Now, in this n plus 1 terms, we put here n equal to 2 and neglect third and higher derivative. Neglect third and higher derivatives. So, we neglect all these terms and substitution of n is equal to 2. Therefore, we have integration x0 to x0 plus 2h y into dx equal to h into 2 into y0 plus n square 2 square 4 divided by 2 is a 2 into delta y0 plus n cube 8 divided by 3 minus n square 4 divided by 2 we get 2 delta square y0 divided by 2 factorial is again 2 equal to h into 2 y0 plus 2 into delta y0 means y1 minus y0 plus let us take here LCM of this 8 minus 6 divided by 3 into delta 2 means y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 divided by 2. This is delta square. Now 8 minus 6 is 2, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled and we have 1 by 3. So therefore we have h into 2y0 plus 2y1 minus 2y0 plus 1 divided by 3 into y2 minus 2y1 plus y0, right. So 2y0 will get cancelled. Now taking LCM as a 3, this is equal to h divided by 3 into 6y1 plus y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. What is this? Is integration x0 to x0 plus 2h y into dx equal to h by 3 into y0 we write it as a first term y0 plus this 6y1 and this 2y1 we have now 4y1 plus y2. So friend, similarly we can see if we take the limit x0 plus 2h to x0 plus 4h. Look at the first term. Whenever there is a x0, we have first term is y0, then 4 times the middle term y1 and we have this 2, so we get the y2. Hence here the first term is a y2, then we have h divided by 3 y2 plus next term middle term, that is 4 into y3 plus y4. Right. So can you guess about the next two term x0 plus 4h to x0 plus 6h y dx equal to h divided by 3 y4 plus 4 times y5 plus y6, right, plus integration x0 plus n minus 2h to x0 plus nh y into dx equal to h by 3 yn minus 2 plus 4 times yn minus 1 plus yn. So this is when n is even. Then adding all these integration, if we adding all these integrations, integration x0 to x0 plus nh y into dx, we have considered n as a even terms. Then h by 3 is common everywhere. So first term is y0 plus 4y1 plus y2. Now second term is plus y2 plus 4 y3 plus y4 plus third term is y4 plus 4y5 plus y6 plus yn minus 2 plus 4yn minus 1 plus yn. So see the similarities which terms are number of times which are single. There is what is the relation between the single terms, you will get the idea of the formula. Then integration x0 to x0 plus nh y into dx equal to h by 3 into. So here y0 and yn, these are single terms. Therefore we write this y0 plus yn as a first plus. Now 4y1, 4y3, 4y5, that means all odd terms are 4 times. Therefore 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus yn minus 1 plus y2, y4, right. So all even terms are twice, so y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus yn minus 2. So this is the Simpson's 1/3 rule. What is the Simpson's 1/3 rule? x0 to x0 plus nh, h by 3, y0 plus yn, these are the single terms, plus 4 times all odd terms plus twice all even terms. This is the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Thank you, friend.